Hello everyone, I am Saksham, and in this video I will be answering the query that I am getting from many students, that students of MBA hiring, those who are waiting for their joining, some of them have got a kind of a mail which you can see on the screen, that they are checking that there is a opening around UI design and video production. So whether the people are interested in that. So basically, we can read the mail that they are looking for associates of interest in UI design or video production, and if they want to explore this opportunity. So if you are interested, they will map you to this particular requirement, and then you would be given training and all those things. So basically, friends, it's a sign that basically your profiles are being checked upon, and now they are trying to map you before you're joining to a particular business unit. So TCS is a big company, and there are different business units with different kind of works and skill. So there are some business units which work on UI design and other graphics. I know some of them, like TCS Interactive is one of them. Ultimatics is another one. When you will join TCS, you will come to know about this. So basically, what is happening? They are trying to see the profile of the candidates who are waiting their joining, and they are trying to do pre-mapping. So basically, if you respond this mail to yes, you are interested, then they will map you to this unit, and whenever you will join after your training and ILP, you would be assigned a project in this particular unit, wherein you will be working on this kind of UI design or video production. Okay, so this is basically team mapping of the awaited candidates, which is again a good sign that they are thinking about you. That means the joining is very close, because like, since they are reviewing the profile of awaited candidates, that means the soon the joining will come. Okay, so now whether to reply yes or no. So it's simple. If you are interested to make a career into graphic design, whether it is UI design or video production, then you can say yes. If not, the mail doesn't say that respond is compulsory, whether no. So you can respond, you cannot respond also, and if you want to respond, you can say I am not interested in this opportunity, but I'm open for other opportunities. So both the reply will be fine. This should not affect your joining. Okay, now which kind of candidate should reply yes? Those candidates who have interest into design, those who are good at graphic design, they wanted to work on the user interface part. Again, I must say this particular skill will be demanding in the future, especially for the creative students, because this is for this particular opportunity will help you to channelize your creativity into design. Okay, uh, if you think you have interest in designing things, and designing interfaces, and you want to work on audio visuals, so you should definitely go for it. If you don't respond yes, they will map you to some other unit. Okay, and it can be anything. So it will be another techno function rule. So it can be anything depending upon the requirements which are available there. But this particular unit is trying to map the candidates before only. So that is why you are getting this kind of mail. Why not everybody has got this mail? Because they sometimes put some filters to see which will be the relevant candidate. And I think this kind of skill, some will be somewhere mentioned in their application form or resume maybe, or they might have used some other criteria. So nothing to worry here. It's just a check of the related candidates, relevant candidates. And if you have interest, reply yes. If no, then if you don't reply, or you can reply you are not interested in this profile, but you're open to other profiles. So I hope this is clear. So don't get panic from anything. A few days back, some student have got the mail for BPS opportunity, and today they have got mail for this one. So this kind of things will happen because they are trying to map the students to particular business units and projects, and that's again a good sign, as I've told you, because this shows that they are thinking about you. They are reviewing the profiles, and that shows that joining should come soon. All right, for the remaining candidates who have not received the joining, March month is full of joining. I have seen so many candidates have updated me that they have got their joining. So in March, I think, you know, m- many students have got their joining, and those who have not got the joining, I see some of the comments were there. Guys, please understand, when somebody gets a joining, it shows that there is a movement, right? The joinings are coming. Now when your joining will come, it will depend upon time. So wait patiently, keep checking your mail once in a day, and let's hope that your joining comes soon, because nobody can tell you exactly when your joining will come. But yeah, looking at the time now, it's already March. So they would definitely onboard the remaining students soon, because after that they have to onboard the 26 batch students from July onwards, right? So definitely the remaining students of 25 batch should also get their joining soon. Okay, so that was it. I wanted to just clarify on this particular mail and query, because many students have reached out. So I hope you got an understanding about it. Okay, thank you so much.